Here is, in my opinion, why you're going to see things like Bonk and many other meme coins on Solana, Avax, and XRP start to absolutely send in 2024. We've got a huge update and announcement that you need to be aware of to make sure your best positions to maximize your potential with these. What am I talking about? Well, stick around. I'm going to tell you all in this video. So make sure you subscribe to the channel for all the latest and greatest in cryptocurrency. Smash that like button. And with that being said, let's take a global look at the market really quickly. A $1.63 trillion market cap, 43,500 on Bitcoin. We'll see how this plays out through the course of the day. But I wanted to get into some real key points right now. And we got this announced yesterday. This is Greyscale's Digital Large Cap Fund LLC. Now, very much in line to big trading, lots of, kind of cryptocurrencies as part of this, but they've just announced a very big point. And as you kind of walk through this, you'll notice a couple of key changes, namely Avax is now named in there, as well as Solana, Cardano, Ethereum, and XRP. Now, you might be thinking, why is this important? Well, let's take a look ultimately what this is. This is the GDLC, Greyscale's Digital Large Cap Fund. Again, $18.40 to get in this. This is ultimately, I guess, kind of an ETF, but not quite. This is ultimately just a fund in which people obviously invest in for that share price. Now, you might be thinking, okay, $2 that's fine, but what's it worth? Well, let me tell you, this has $378.4 million of asset under management. Now, the same aligned to kind of where we are the rest of the market. It's still pretty flat, has topped out over $60 in previous months, but a significant amount. Why is this important? Well, it allows access to Avax, Solana, XRP, as well as what it already has, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and many others. So this is a pretty big deal. Like I said, a absolute update to it. You can see there Avalanche and XRP being part of that. And you can see there, look, in the middle, Solana as well met inclusion criteria of the DLS index. According to the manager, adjust the fund's portfolio by selling the existing fund components in proportion to their respective weightings and using the cash process to purchase Avax and XRP. So fantastic news, particularly when you look at Avax. We all expect that to be a very, very good chain and lots of development coming. So then you start thinking about those nuanced meme coins, those nuanced cryptocurrencies. Bonk, for example, Kokinu, which you've got on Avax, and many, many others. And that's where we kind of get into a world where we think Bonk might have another run. Now, ultimately down 5% once again, and is down 20% versus its December highs. But a lot of people expecting this to say a big move. We're seeing lots of money flow into Bitcoin right now with the anticipation of these ETFs. But don't write off things like Bonk, things like Kokinu, because these have an opportunity, particularly when you've got something like Greyscale buying a significant amount. We also see there the downward channel that we've got, key support, the 9s for Bonk. Are we about to see a potential move to the upside? But I think this is pretty important what we've got. A big amount of inflow money could be coming to these two coins, particularly Avax and, like we said, XRP, but don't write off Bonk. Now, what have we got on the price? We said lots of altcoins being sold off right now. You can see this just touching the bottom end of that Bollinger Band around the 10 range. Remember, 9s being the key support level, but we do have obviously Solana and Avax down 7% on both, 92.56, a big push down on Solana, likewise on Avax as well, even with that news from Greyscale. So this, I think, needs to get out. I still think a lot of people hedging their bets. I talked a little bit about retail coming out and buying Bitcoin ahead of those file S1s that should be coming Monday morning, which will absolutely cement those ETFs next week. But like I said, there is definitely still more life in these meme coins, particularly Solana and Avax. But big news, I thought. Greyscale, let me know as ever in the comments down below, what do you think of all this? And are you still holding, or did you sell both of those coins? As ever, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.